Chapter 17, Acids and Bases. The differences between the various acid-base concepts are not concerned with which is right, but which is most convenient to use in a particular situation. We're going to be encountering a couple of different definitions of what an acid is and what a base is. And as this quote says, there's not one that's right or wrong, but you use whichever one is most applicable to the type of scenario that you're looking at. Just like concentration, right? There's lots of different concentration units. Which one you use is whichever one works best for your situation. So this chapter starts out talking about heartburn. Anybody had heartburn before? Yeah. Most of you are pretty young, and so hopefully, you haven't had trouble with that before. Heartburn sucks. It literally feels like your heart is burning, right? And so you think you're having a heart attack or something, and then you find out, no, it's just a little bit of acid that comes up from your stomach. Your stomach has a lot of hydrochloric acid in it, which is a good thing because you need that to digest your food. But it doesn't belong up in your esophagus. That tissue is not designed to withstand hydrochloric acid. And so when anything backs up a little bit, then you get a lot of irritation and this burning sensation. If it's really bad, it can even come back up into your throat and mouth, taste sour, and can be really, really painful. Typically when that happens, your body produces more saliva and you find yourself swallowing repeatedly. Saliva has hydrogen carbonate ion in it, which acts as a base, and the repeated swallowing of your saliva can help to neutralize that acid that is in your esophagus. Unfortunately, with bad heartburn, it doesn't really do enough. So antacids are typically used, and they're a lot more effective because they have a lot more base in them. Bless you. And so in this chapter, we're going to be looking at the reactions between acids and bases and the balance of their equilibria. GERD, gastroesophageal reflux disease, is associated with chronic heartburn, and one way to diagnose that is they can put a pH sensor down your esophagus and measure the pH of what's going on right there in your esophagus. So acids and bases are important to our health. They're found in lots of different household products. They're all over the place. Food, acids and bases, medicine, they're everywhere, right? They're not inherently good or bad. Any chemical in excess can kill you, but, a lot of chemicals you don't have enough that can also kill you, right? Too much oxygen, bad. Not enough oxygen, bad, It's like most of life, it's a balance. So acid-base chemistry is really important to a lot of biochemistry and molecular biology. So you've heard of amino acids, right? Amino acids are acids, as the name kind of suggests, and those are the building blocks of proteins. Your DNA contains bases, and the bases matching up is what allows your DNA to reproduce itself. So lots of important applications in biology with acids and bases.